The need for speed, why real-time data matters. Imagine this. You are looking for a flight. You want to find the best deal available. You want the best price. You compare different airlines and times. You need to know about delays. Any changes in schedule can affect your plans. Old information is not helpful, it can lead to missed flights and wasted time. You need to see the latest updates. Real-time data ensures you have the most current information. Real-time data is important for everyone. It keeps us informed and prepared, it helps us make decisions. Whether it's for travel, business, or daily life, it connects us to the world as it happens. We can react and adapt quickly. From stock prices to weather forecasts, real-time data shapes our understanding of a rapidly changing world. It provides us with the tools to navigate uncertainty. Think about a basketball game. You want to stay updated on every play, you want to know the score, every point matters. But you also want to know who is playing well. Player stats and performance are crucial. You want to see the latest highlights. The excitement of the game is in the details. Real-time data makes this possible. It brings the game to life, moment by moment. In a world that's constantly moving, having access to the latest information is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. It empowers us to stay ahead and make informed choices. A new era of search introducing ChatGPT search. Imagine a search engine that understands you, one that feels less like a tool and more like a conversation with a knowledgeable friend. Traditional search engines are like giant libraries, vast and filled with endless rows of information. They hold a lot of information, but finding exactly what you need can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. Often, the information is not always organized in a way that makes it easy to find. This can lead to frustration and wasted time as you sift through countless irrelevant results. ChatGPT search is different. It's like having a conversation with a really smart friend who knows exactly where to find the information you need. You can ask questions in your own words without worrying about using the right keywords or phrases. ChatGPT search will give you direct answers, cutting through the noise to deliver what you're looking for. It uses the power of artificial intelligence, leveraging advanced algorithms to understand the context and nuances of your queries. This means it can understand what you mean, not just what you type, making your search experience more intuitive and efficient. It's a new way to search the web, transforming the way we interact with information. ChatGPT search takes your questions and explores the vast expanse of the internet, sifting through websites, articles, and data to bring you the most relevant and up-to-date information available. It's like having a personal researcher who works tirelessly to find the best answers for you. With ChatGPT search, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips, ready to assist you in navigating the digital world with ease and precision. Experience the future of search today. Beyond keywords, how ChatGPT search understands you. Traditional search engines rely on keywords. You type in a few words. The search engine looks for those words on websites. ChatGPT search is smarter. It understands the meaning behind your words. It can tell the difference between apple the fruit and apple the company. This means you get more accurate results. Imagine you're looking for a recipe for apple pie. With ChatGPT search, you can ask, "What's the best way to make an apple pie?" It understands you're looking for a recipe, not information about the fruit itself. This advanced understanding of language allows ChatGPT search to provide more relevant and insightful responses, moving beyond simple keyword matching to grasp the context and intent behind your queries. Fresh from the web, the power of real-time information. Old information is like old news, it's not very useful. You want to know what's happening now. ChatGPT search gives you the latest information. Imagine you are planning a trip to New York City. You want to know about museum exhibits. You want to find the best restaurants. You need to know what the weather will be like. ChatGPT search can tell you all of this. It connects to the internet in real time. This means you see the most up-to-date information. You won't miss out on important updates. This real-time access to information empowers you to make informed decisions, stay ahead of the curve, and engage with a constantly evolving world. Breaking news and beyond, real-world applications. ChatGPT search is not just for finding facts, it can help you with many things. It can summarize news articles, it can translate languages. Let's say you are following a big news story. You want to know the latest developments. ChatGPT search can give you a summary. You don't have to read through multiple articles. It can also be a powerful tool for research, education, and even creative endeavors. Need help writing a poem or brainstorming ideas for a project? ChatGPT Search can be your creative partner, offering inspiration and insights based on the latest information available. If you're excited to see how ChatGPT's web search with quick links and real-time info can make your research easier, make sure to give this video a like. And if you're enjoying this walkthrough, hit subscribe to stay up to date with Trend AI Tech for all the latest in AI advancements. Leaving traditional search engines in the dust. Traditional search engines are like old cars. They get you from point A to point B, but they're not very efficient. ChatGPT Search is like a high-speed train. It's faster, smoother, and more powerful. It changes how we find information. It's not just about finding information, it's about understanding it, connecting with it on a deeper level, and using it to navigate our world with greater knowledge and insight. ChatGPT Search empowers us to be active participants in the information age. The power of now ChatGPT Search for time-sensitive needs. In a world of instant updates and breaking news, timing is everything. Whether it's tracking a fast-moving storm or monitoring stock market fluctuations, real-time information is crucial for making informed decisions. Imagine you're a doctor treating a patient with a rare condition. You need the latest research and treatment options. ChatGPT Search can provide this in seconds, potentially saving lives. From emergency situations to everyday decisions, ChatGPT Search empowers us to act decisively and confidently in a world where every second counts. A glimpse into the future, the evolution of search. ChatGPT Search is more than just a new search engine. It's a revolutionary tool that redefines how we seek and interact with information. It's a glimpse into the future of how we will interact with information. Imagine a world where search engines understand context, intent, and even emotions. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, so too will our ability to access and understand the vast amounts of data at our fingertips. AI will not only retrieve information but also analyze and present it in the most meaningful way. Imagine a world where you can have natural conversations with search engines, asking complex questions and receiving nuanced answers that take into account your individual needs and preferences. This means more accurate, relevant, and personalized results. Asking a search engine about the best way to learn a new language, for instance, could yield a tailored plan based on your learning style, schedule, and goals. ChatGPT Search is a step in that direction, integrating advanced AI to understand and predict user needs. Paving the way for a more intuitive and personalized search experience, it aims to make information retrieval not just efficient, but also enjoyable and engaging. This evolution of search has the potential to revolutionize education, research, and even the way we communicate. Students can find resources that match their curriculum, and researchers can uncover insights faster than ever before. Breaking down barriers and connecting people to information like never before, ChatGPT Search is not just a tool, but a bridge to a more informed and connected world. Empowering users' knowledge at your fingertips. Access to information is empowering. It allows us to learn, grow, and make informed decisions. ChatGPT Search puts this power in the hands of everyone. Imagine a student in a remote village who now has access to the same vast libraries of knowledge as someone in a major city. ChatGPT Search democratizes information, breaking down geographical barriers and empowering individuals to reach their full potential. This democratization of knowledge has the power to transform societies, fostering innovation, critical thinking, and a more informed global citizenry. The OpenAI Revolution, shaping the future of information. OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT Search, is at the forefront of a revolution in artificial intelligence. Their mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. ChatGPT Search is a testament to this mission, providing a powerful tool that has the potential to transform how we learn, work, and interact with the world around us. This revolution is still in its early stages, but it's clear that OpenAI is shaping the future of information and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. ChatGPT Search, the future of real-time web searching. In a world awash in information, finding what you need quickly and accurately is more important than ever. ChatGPT Search rises to this challenge, offering a glimpse into the future of real-time web searching. By combining the power of artificial intelligence with the immediacy of real-time data, ChatGPT search empowers us to stay informed, make better decisions, and connect with the world in a more meaningful way. This is the future of search. A future where information is more accessible, more personalized, and more powerful than ever before.